this section. We will see how the anti-surge control system works and how it protects and stabilizes the compressor during different operating conditions. Gas enters the compressor package and initially circulates through the anti-surge recycle line. During this stage, the system pressure gradually builds up and the compressor package becomes fully pressurized before startup. The gas turbine is then started and the gas producer speed begins to increase gradually. As the compressor speed increases, the discharge pressure also begins to rise. At the same time, the anti-surge valve starts to close while maintaining sufficient flow through the compressor. During compression, the gas temperature increases due to the compression process. The gas then passes through the cooler, where cooling water circulation removes the heat and reduces the gas temperature before it moves to the downstream system. Once the outlet or flare valve begins to open, gas starts flowing to the downstream pipeline. As the export flow increases, the compressor operation becomes stable and the anti-surge valve gradually moves toward its minimum position. In the first anti-surge control scenario, the suction pressure begins to drop and the compressor flow starts decreasing. The anti-surge controller detects this condition and immediately begins opening the anti-surge valve to maintain the minimum safe flow through the compressor. As the suction pressure starts to recover, the compressor operating condition stabilizes again. The anti-surge valve then gradually closes while maintaining safe and stable compressor operation. In another situation, the discharge pressure begins to increase due to downstream restriction or back pressure. As the pressure increases, the compressor flow starts to reduce. The anti-surge controller reacts by gradually opening the anti-surge valve to maintain the required compressor flow. If the flow drops rapidly and approaches the surge region, the anti-surge controller reacts very quickly and opens the anti-surge valve to maximum position. This rapid response increases the recycle flow and moves the compressor away from surge, protecting the equipment and maintaining safe operation. This video is created for general discussion about gas compressor operation. Please feel free to share your valuable points and suggestions. Thank you for watching.